So we got ourselves some renders of what the foldable iPhone might look like. And I feel like over the last set amount of time, everyone and their mother has been posting the iPhone concepts, iPhone. There's a lot of them out there, okay? There are a lot of them out there. But this is a more realistic look of what it might look like. And you might say, is that a Z Fold series phone? Yeah. Going to look somewhat like a Z Fold. And actually, this concept looks more like a Z Fold on the outside, and the inside looks more like a Google Pixel. But anyway, though, the iPhone is going to have a lot of Samsung parts. Number one, the iPhone's Fold or Flip or whatever they end up calling them will actually be using Samsung displays, which they are the leading manufacturer right now when it comes to foldable displays. So they're going to have Samsung displays no matter what. Apparently, they're going to fix the crease. That's like the major concept right now people are going with, is that they're going to be the first company ever to fix the creaseless display or cause creaseless display, which I'll believe it when I see it at this point, because it's literally going to be Samsung displays they're using. So while, yes, they could obviously take their displays, alter them, fix them, and, make them creaseless, I don't think we're going to see that with the first gen of the iPhones. I think we'll probably see that with a second gen, maybe a third gen, where they're kind of try to really get rid of the crease. But I feel like first gen iPhone Flip or iPhone Fold is going to be a mess. I don't think this is going to be perfect as everyone thinks it's going to be. Me personally, I feel like this is going to have a lot of first-gen problems, which we see with every first-gen product pretty much, where either the display breaks, the display has problems, or maybe it overheats, maybe it's, not as powerful as it should be because of issues with the actual battery. Like, there's always something when it comes to first-gen products. Well, they always say, never buy into first-gen, wait to the second generation, and then let the, company iron out all the problems with it. But I'll be honest with you, this is still a pipe dream. But at the end of the day, this is supposed to come out next year. That's right now the rumored. So this is what we normally see people posting when it comes to the iPhone Flip or Fold. I don't think it's going to look like this. I really think the final product is going to look like this. I think this is what we're going to see in the end. And it's going to sell like hotcakes because it's Apple. And there's a lot of Apple fanboys out there who will buy it no matter what. Even if the price tag right now is rumored to be $2,300. There will be someone out there or a bunch of people out there who will buy it. They sold the Apple Vision Pro, which I guess I bought an Apple Vision Pro too, so... But I bought it in the secondhand market for cheaper, so I'm justifying. I did not spend $3,500. I spent $2,000. It doesn't make it any better, but it's a lot better than spending $3,500. I guess, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace.